What's up? It's Susie from Hey Grill Hey, and I'm going to show you how to take the humble, affordable sirloin steak and turn it into a delectable grilled masterpiece with a homemade rub cooked over charcoal. This is a fantastic way to do steak night on a budget. So let's do it. Let's kick things off with a homemade steak seasoning. Now, sirloin doesn't have a ton of fat. It doesn't have a ton of flavor. It's not usually the most preferred steak for grilling, but that's also what makes it affordable. And sometimes you still need affordable to taste delicious without going overboard with too much work. And the homemade seasoning is what's really gonna bring the flavor and make the steak stand out. And it's not a lot of ingredients. So we're starting with some kosher salt, some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some ground coriander, which I think is the secret sauce to this steak seasoning, and a little bit of cayenne pepper for some heat. Give that a quick mix. We're not going to use all of this on the steak itself, so you can put this in a jar after you're finished, save it, and use it on all steaks that you're making in the future. Now I've got 2 sirloins here. Try to buy them as marbled as you can. As much fat as you can get in there is going to mean more flavor for these steaks. But $1 per pound, sirloins are some of the most affordable kind of dinner steaks that you can buy. So we're gonna hit these with that homemade steak seasoning. I've got my grill preheating behind me. I am cooking these over charcoal today, but you can cook them with gas as well. I think charcoal does a lot to bring just a little additional smoky flavor to the steaks. I have my coals set up for 2-zone cooking, which means half of the grill is hot, half of the grill has no coals. So if you're doing this on gas, that means half of your burners will be on, half of them will be off. We're gonna start these seasoned steaks on the indirect heat side of the grill. Let the temperature of the steak come up slowly. It'll take probably about 30 minutes to get these cooked through, and then we'll finish over the high heat for a nice crispy, crusty sear on the outside. Doing that low temperature to start will make sure your steaks stay nice and juicy without overcooking them. Now we like our steaks medium rare. With a sirloin, I do recommend a lower finish temperature. Reason being, it will hold on to more moisture instead of drying out. Sirloins do tend to dry out pretty easily. So I'll be pulling these off the indirect heat side at about 115 degrees and off of the direct heat when they hit about 125 to 130 for a perfect medium rare finish. Steaks have come off the grill. I like to top my steaks, especially leaner steaks like sirloin, with just a little pad of butter. While the meat rests, this butter is gonna melt down over the top. And butter on steak works beautifully because guess what? There's cow fat in the cow meat, and butter is also cow fat. It's just a different kind, but the flavors work so well together. And it really helps reinforce some of those leaner steaks to make them taste more rich, more full, more juicy, and delicious. Now that is a budget steak without budget flavor. Once it's rested, you can go in. I actually like to pre-slice my steaks before I serve them to my family. Part of it is because it's easier for everybody to take a little bit. It makes the steak go a little bit further, but part of it is that so that I can come in and steal the best bite for myself and nobody will notice. Look, that's a beautiful, juicy sirloin steak, typically lean, but still so full of flavor. That sirloin is tender and juicy and flavorful. The seasoning does so much without taking away from the flavor of the beef itself. And I always love a steak cooked over charcoal. Simple, delicious, affordable, and way easy way to become a backyard barbecue hero. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, make sure to leave me a review on my website or tag me on social so I can see it and cheer you on. I'm all about better backyard barbecue. Feed your friends and family. We'll see you next time. Wow, it's a good steak.